Hello friends. Welcome back to the EnglishSpeakEz Podcast. I'm Joey. Do you want a relaxing weekend and a better life? Turn this podcast on while you rest, clean, or take a walk. Last time, we learned 24 daily habits. Today, we are learning 24 weekend habits. These are not just English words. These are lifestyle upgrades. From sleeping in on Saturday to meal prepping on Sunday, practice 24 native expressions that make your weekend better. Here's how we practice. I say each sentence. You repeat it 4 times. Don't think. Just listen and copy. Ready? Let's make your weekend great. I sleep in on Saturdays. 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 I take it easy in the morning. 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 I whip up some breakfast. 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 I catch up on my shows. 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 I throw in a load of laundry. 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 I straighten up my place. 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 I throw on some music. 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 I knock out some errands. 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 I grab a bite with a friend. 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 I hang out at a cafe. 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 I hit the gym. I hit the gym. I hit the gym. I hit the gym. I get a workout in. 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 I swing by the store. 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 I pick up a few things. 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 I treat myself to something nice. 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 I get some fresh air. 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 I link up with friends. 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 I check out a new spot. 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 I stay in and chill. 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 I unwind with a drink. 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 I sleep in even more on Sunday. 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 I catch up with family. 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 I meal prep for the week. 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 I get ready for the week ahead. 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 Excellent work today. You just practiced 24 native expressions for a better weekend. Check the description below to see what each phrase means. Use these expressions this weekend. Remember, building good habits in English means building a better life. Thank you for practicing with me today. This is Joey from EnglishSpeakEz. Keep speaking. Keep growing. See you in the next episode.